Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
एक म्हणजे आम्ही लहानपणांतल्यान संघान बाबा बरोबर सुद्धा वतालो. ल्हानपणाची जे संस्कार आमचे जाल्या ते कुटुंबा बरोबर बाबा आनी संघान ताजो खूब व्हडलो वांटो आसा. पयलींच्या 100 वर्सां संघाचो एक डेट येता, पण ताच्या पेक्षा पूर्ण जो आमचो वाडप जालो बरोबर तो एक बरें शिक्षण मेळ्ळा. म्हणून विजयादशमीच्या दिसा हो एक विशेष दिन आसा. दर वर्सा पण 100वे शताब्दी वर्षान वता म्हणजे एक ताचो आमकां सगळ्यांक चड आहे.
अंदू पयलेच फावट पणजेचो आमदार मंत्री बाबूस मोन्शेरात RSSच्या कार्यावळीक हजर रावलो.
I was invited to come and have come for the function. It was really very impressive. First of all, I congratulate RSS. It took me for completing 100 years. I think I learned a lot of history actually from the speaker who had come. I think who was in charge of Goa and the surrounding area, and I have seen right from the child till senior citizens basically taking active part in the organization. Now it is only the 100 years that they have completed. I am sure for generations to come and for centuries to come this institute will continue.
प्रुडंटा खातीर साहिल मांद्रेकार.